Hello buddies, I'm Nonit and today we will talk about the Samagra Shiksha scheme. Why it is in news? Because recently the Nipun Bharat mission actually released by the government of India, and the funding through this Samagra Shiksha scheme will take place. So remember that. Let's talk about. So launched in this Samagra Shiksha scheme, we launched in 2018 and it is a centrally sponsored scheme. What is the difference between the centrally sponsored and central sector scheme? That centrally sponsored scheme means there is a sharing of funding between the centers and the state as well as center and union territory. But the central sector scheme where the 100% funding done by the union government. So this is the basic difference between the centrally sponsored and central sector scheme. Remember that the implementing agency is the Department of School Education and Literacy. Earlier it was the ministry when launched in 2018 that the Ministry of Human Resource Development, and now it is a Ministry of Education. Remember that it actually subsumes the three scheme. Remember that this Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan under this and the Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan and the teacher education, all these subsumes into one and created an integrated scheme known as the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan for the school education. So now let's talk about the aims of the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Remember that to ensure the inclusive and equitable quality education with all levels of education, means from the first class to the 12th standard. It envisages the school as a continuum. What is the continuum? Means it is a completely a transition while playing. How they are getting the education they don't know, but it is the transition is taking place. So that, and this is the school as a transition from the pre-primary to primary, upper primary, secondary to senior secondary school. So this is the main aim of the Samagra Shiksha scheme. Now in this there are some major intervention, or you can say the part which can be implemented under the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Universal access of infrastructure and the school retention, gender and equity will be provided, inclusive education and quality education will be provided, financial support for teachers salary, and the digital initiative will take place, and the main is the RTI, so RTE, so means the Right to Education Act implementation of 2019 Act. As you know, under Article 21A of the Constitution of India, right to education is a fundamental right, and on the basis of that this Right to Education Act was formed. And vocational education from the 9th standard to 12th standard. So this is all about. In this Samagra Shiksha scheme, the setting off of youth club will be provided. Why youth club will be provided? Basically to improve the life skill, build self-esteem, build self-confidence and the resilience in the children. And another is the eco club will be provided basically to participate in the environmental activities. What is the vision? What actually want to achieve through this Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan? You need to remember that SDG 4.1 and SDG 4.2 will be so complete, free, equitable and quality education is the vision through this Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Under the SDG 4.2, eliminate the gender disparity and ensure the equal access of education to all levels of education. So this is all about the Samagra Shiksha scheme. What is the summary of this Samagra Shiksha scheme? That it is implemented by the Department of School Education and Literacy under the Ministry of Education. Earlier it was Ministry of Human Resource Development. What is the aim? Basically to inclusive and equitable education to all. Implementation of Right to Education Act under Article 21A of the Constitution of India. What is the vision? SDG 4.1 and 4.2. And remember that the funding, it is a centrally sponsored scheme, not the central sector scheme. So this is all about this Samagra Shiksha scheme. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video. You should subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.